Jeez. It is windy. So this is the weather right now in Del Mar. It's windy until 10, and then 11 is probably when it starts gonna rain. And then, all the way until tomorrow. All the way until Tuesday, actually. And LA is already raining, and it's gonna keep raining until Tuesday again. I'm not complaining about the rain. I mean, this is Southern California here, where we were in a drought for so long, and we haven't got this much rain in a while. So this is great, especially for the plants and the environment. But today morning, I was planning to go to Lamborghini Newport, and it's already raining there. It's actually, the show's going on right now. I was planning to go, and even if I didn't go, I was planning to go to SEC, but probably it's raining probably over there too. So no car show this weekend, this Saturday morning, and it's all right. I mean, sometimes you can't go to every single car show, and it's not worth it. It's not worth it, and that's what I want to talk about today. In this video, I'm going to talk about the best way to go about a supercar show or a car show, Cars and Coffee, to get the best experience out of it. I've been to close to 100 car shows, cars and coffee, supercar shows, events, all over here in Southern California. And this video, the purpose of it is to me to just talk about it, share some knowledge, some of my little tips to go about a car show, so you guys could have the best experience out of it. I've been doing this actually quite often. Every single weekend I've go to at least one car show. So this is pretty common for me, and for those of you guys for people who aren't that common and want to get into it, or this is maybe you want to go to your first supercar show, Cars and Coffee. This is gonna help, I hope. So tip number one, it relates to what I say in my little complaining here, is don't go to a car show an hour away when it's raining. I'll give you some quick reasons why. I mean, it's pretty ethical. It's common sense, to not go to a car show raining, because when it's raining, guys, supercar owners are not going to bring their really expensive cars, their $200,000 cars above, to a open parking lot, not roof, open parking lot, for the car to just get soaked. And that's not it. I mean, driving there in all the puddles, it's gonna get your car very dirty, and most car owners actually don't want that. Some cases, yes, some people just don't really care, but most don't want that. So it's just common sense that it's not gonna be good. So that's why I didn't go today. I mean, at Lamborghini Newport, I saw a live stream that they did. There's absolutely nothing except for Thor, and that's practically it. And I've seen it so many times. I was glad when I watched it this morning that I didn't go, because if I went, it would have been a complete waste of time. And that's the first tip. Don't go to a car show when it's raining an hour away, because it's not going to be good. Now that was a little joke, a little rant of mine. Just this weather sort of, I don't know, we never get this weather here in Southern California, so that's why I'm sort of complaining, sort of shocked. So the first legit tip I could give you is know when the car show starts. So car shows, Cars and Coffees and car shows, this is all in the morning. There's later, like 5, 6, night car events and car shows, but I'm not gonna get into that because that's a whole separate thing. I'm talking about Cars and Coffee in the morning and car shows, supercar shows in the morning. So they usually start around 6 to 9, or not even 6 is a little early. Actually, 6 to 9 is when most Cars and Coffee and car shows, supercar shows in the morning start, and then they end around 12 or before that. So that is what you guys need to know if you're going to a car show, a specific car show you have planned. Maybe it's happening in a couple of weeks, and it's on Instagram, and you get all the details, and it states to start when it's going to end. You want to know that first before you go to a car show, because that's so important. Timing is really important. From what I've learned over the years I've been going to car shows almost weekly, timing is crucial. The reason why I'm saying timing is crucial, because you want to go ideally you want to go really early or towards the end when the car show Cars and Coffee is going to end. This is because those two are when the cars arrive and the cars leave. Now I go really early because I don't want to go later, and I've always went early. It's just my thing. You can see all my previous car show videos, especially in Lamborghini Newport, I've been going early the last couple of car shows that I've been doing. Really early, like a good 30 minutes early. This is because when they usually have, if it's that kind of event, they have cars, special cars that are going to be there come early. So me as a photographer and a YouTuber and a videographer, I want to get there early before hundreds and hundreds of people just flock in and you can't do jack. That is why I go early to take my shots, my videos and all that, and that's when all the cars come in, and you just wait a little bit, and then when the you wait a little bit and the cars start rolling in, and that's the fun part. You want to see the cars coming in. You want to hear them. You know, you don't want to just see the cars just stand there and just look at them. It's just way more fun when you see the cars and hear the cars come in. You know, you can actually feel the moment of the cars and the engines, whether it's a V12, V10, or turbocharged V8, I don't know, whatever it is. You could actually like hear it, and then that just adds it so much more. I mean, you see my other videos and you know, I film the cars, I film whatever, an SV rolling by or a wire coming in, or you know, all that, and that really adds to the experience. So know when you're gonna go. I would say try to go in the morning earlier to see the cars coming in. That's my first tip for you guys. I mean, if you guys can't make it that early, go later. You see the cars going out, that's perfectly fine, but I go early in the morning. Also, parking. Going really early is gonna save you a lot of time for parking, most likely, unless you're doing it in like a very large parking space where there's a lot of parking spaces, but it's usually gonna help you find parking. My second tip is quite strange. Now I am going to admit that before I say it, because you guys are gonna like react to like, what did he say? What kind of tip is that? But this is actually very helpful, and this is bring water to a car event, because usually most car events don't have water there, just free water, or they don't even sell water for you to buy. So bring a good amount of water, like a liter. I always bring my water bottle topped. I bring my 1.5 liter water bottle everywhere, and that's topped with water, because you really can't get water at car shows, especially when it's in the middle of a parking lot, like most Cars and Coffees, or even at dealerships. They don't hand you out free water like flyers. They don't do that. So bring water, because you are gonna get dehydrated and you're gonna feel it after you finish. So I would recommend bringing lots of water to a Cars and Coffee car show, supercar show. My third and final tip is just to have fun and not get pulled over. Don't do anything stupid, because cops usually like just control the area. They park their cop car in the middle of the street, so no one does anything stupid. And don't do anything stupid, or else you guys are gonna have a fat ticket you're gonna have to pay. So that is my third tip. Have fun and don't do anything stupid. Don't get a ticket, guys. I mean, I've seen a lot of people actually get tickets and get pulled over, and it's just not good for them and for me. It sort of degrades the car show, but when you see a lot of cop cars just pulling people over, and especially some nice cars, it's just sad, right? You don't want them to pay that much, and you don't want to see people, you know, it just sort of degrades it. So don't get pulled over, guys. It's actually something that people don't really think. People think that they're gonna go to a car show and have lots of fun, do whatever they want, but that's not really the case, because usually cops are around there and they know what car shows to go to and then what time it starts. It's crazy. I'm pretty sure they follow like Instagram, and they look at all these car shows, so they could go there and, you know, wait until someone does anything stupid and then they pull them over like that, and then that's like a lot of money out of your pocket right there. So those are my 3 tips. I really enjoy making these videos, honestly, just talking about and sharing some tips and strategies you guys can use. Makes me feel great, Hope it really gave some good insights and information to you guys. And I want to make more of these. I actually want to make these pretty frequently. Honestly, just give me some topics and some questions you guys have down in the comments below so I could make together a video and give my answers to you guys, or whatever questions you guys have. I'll make these kind of videos. I love making these kind of videos. Even though I can't do anything outside, I'll gladly sit on the sofa and give you guys some information and some knowledge, some strategies, some tips, anything like that. I'll be glad to do it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and before you guys leave, more car videos coming in the future. I have a good video idea I have coming up. It's gonna be really sick. So if you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe for more exciting and hopefully great videos in the future. I don't know, but if you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the future. Peace.